I have a Kia Soul here. I'm actually going to be replacing the outer piece. I have a Kia Soul here. This one got hit in this right front corner. It destroyed this post. You can see how this is all wadded up, and also down here across the rocker panel. And it already got new suspension put underneath it. Then it also gets a new fender and a new door. I'm actually going to be replacing the outer piece of this post here. And I have the new one. They sell it as an assembly with all the structure in it because they make these pieces and then they just cut them. So that's the only way to buy it. However, first I'm going to start cutting the car apart. I already have it marked where I'm going to do my rough cuts right here and right here. I also have to replace this cap here because this is all layered behind that. So this is going to have to come off as well. I'm going to start cutting this one apart and get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and separate this outer skin from the inner structure here. I'm going to grind most of it from the back side because this back piece is going to be trash anyway. And then there'll be a few of them I'm going to drill as well, but I'm going to go ahead and get this piece separated. So I realized that I had to cut this piece off because there's no way to fish the new outer A-post here around this end of there. I was able to get the old one out just because I ripped it out, but there's no way to fish the new one in, so I had to remove this piece in order to get it so it'll fit in there. They have my sectioning joints on this. They have one right here on the edge of this. And then my bottom one is gonna be right here. And I'm gonna actually mark that on this piece. What I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna sit this on there and overlap it. Then I'll make my final cuts and I'll cut through both the part of the car and the new part at the same time. Then I'll have a perfect cut. Alright, I am getting this one all fit up, so I am going to go ahead and I'm going to lift these parts back off and I'm going to start welding all of this one together. So I went ahead and sealed up the seams back behind here before I put this cap on, because I won't be able to get to them once this is welded on. I'm gonna put one more thin coat just over this section right here. So this is an epoxy primer. They want this down where any window urethane goes. So I'm just gonna brush this on where the window urethane goes. You obviously won't see it once they lay the urethane and put the glass in. All right, I have this one just about wrapped up. I'm gonna send this one over to our paint department so they can get it all prepped out and get it painted.